Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how you can get signed in into the online banking account of Bank of China. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and search in for a www.bankofchina.com and press enter. Here at the official webpage of Bank of China, you can see a box over here at the right panel. There you can see the option of online banking login. You need to click on it. Now here at the login form page, you need to provide your username or bank card number. Now then you go in for providing a password. Here, after you provide both the details, you need to click on login where you will get directly logged in into your online banking account of Bank of China. Just in case if you forgot your username or password of the online banking account of Bank of China, you need to click on the link given, that is, retrieve the username and password. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to another page. There you need to follow the further instruction that has been provided. Then you will be able to have your username or password. Hope this video is truthful for you all on how you can get signed in into the online banking account of Bank of China. Thank